We put together a 12-foot lugged in-feed conveyor. This in-feed conveyor was designed to accommodate long parts, printed parts, small parts, shallow parts, and even tall parts. If you come up close, you'll notice that we've designed this machine to accommodate this long 22-inch cardboard blank, and we accommodated with a 5-inch tall lugged in feed. This lugged in feed is going to drive this product into our side seal system, the Dynaseal 2008 side seal machine. Over here, this is the work side of the machine. This is the Dynaseal 2008. Underneath this hood, you'll find some unique items. You'll see our Dynaseal side seal machine cutting device. This cutting device, unlike a lot of machines that you've seen us promote in the past, doesn't cut in an L. It's simply cutting the leading and trailing edge of the film. And our side seal open-end sealing device, controlled by this plunger, is designed like my grandfather's shoemaker knife, where he just plunges through the film, a Teflon-coated heated blade, and that heated blade simply cuts the film and seals it like a hot knife going through butter. No moving parts, no wires to blow. It's a hunk of steel that's Teflon coated that the film just simply hits and glides and cuts and separates. The side seal mechanism, in order to increase the speed, we can control the amount of height, the throw that the blade moves above and then comes down to cut. So instead of having to move all 6 or 7 inches every single time we run a product, even if it's only an inch tall, in this case we can tell it, move an inch and a half, come down, inch and a half and come down. The belt speeds on this machine is up to 100 feet per minute. 100 feet per minute we can make bags. The combination of these cutting systems allow us to do industrial applications like long pipe sections. When you need a heavier film, this machine can cut 3 mil polyethylene. Very unique in the industry, one of the only machines I think in the world that can cut and seal and make bags out of 3 mil polyethylene. As I close the safety hood and you walk over here, you're going to see our touchscreen control, the Dynaseal ProPack touchscreen control. It's a Windows-based operating system, which simply allows the consumer and the operator to function with the machine in the same fashion he would use his home computer. You have a start key. You can choose parameters. Right now we have a program that we've named, and if we want to save it, you see a picture of old school floppy disk. When you press that, it'll open up the file memory and save. Right now the system's moving into our new Vulcan high performance tunnel. We're very, very excited about the new design. The high performance has a removable hood, an insulated removable hood. By simply tapping, opening up this lock on both sides, there's 4 of them, you can remove this hood and replace it with the new one if you ever have the need to accommodate a taller product. That's very innovative. On this side, this lever here has something very unique. We can actually control the amount of airflow directed to the bottom of the product only. So when it's shrinking nice on top but you're blowing holes in the bottom, we can open and close gates in the bottom, allowing more or less airflow just to hit the bottom of the product. On this side, we actually accommodated something also very new. We all know how the corners and dog ears on round products are very difficult to shrink. These 2 levers are actually controlling the direction of the airflow and where it hits on the package, targeting it like a heat gun onto the corners of the package to eliminate dog ears. Back over here, we'll hit start. Once the machine's set up, all you have to do is hit the start button. The conveyor is going to automatically feed the product. As you'll see here, it's driving it into the shrink tunnel, into the seal. If you can get a shot of the seal head. Seal head moving up and down, Peter. Unfortunately, I can't be at both ends, so there's nothing to gather the product.